Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the videos. It's been a bit since I vlogged last, so I wanted to show you guys some things because I've gotten a couple packages in the mail. Here's all the packages I've gotten. This one I'm returning. This is my table that you guys saw. UPS never picked up, even though it was outside, which is kind of frustrating. So my brother's coming to visit this weekend, and I'm just gonna have him help me take it to Home Depot and return it because it's way too heavy for me to carry myself. So in the last video, I showed you guys my new duvet cover, which I'm really excited about. So this is it. I just need to get one more pillow for the second pillowcase there. But yeah, I really like it. The colors just match a lot better than they did, and I'm starting to really like the vibe of the bedroom. I still need to get a plant since the one I had died. I finally ordered the second curtain, so that'll be good. And yeah, so the first thing I want to show you guys that came in the mail is a new planter pot. So this is from a brand called Fox and Fern. They're just like an online planter shop, like stuff like this for plants and whatnot. So I finally got one. I've been wanting one. I've just been putting it off because this thing was $55. And for some reason, I just couldn't wrap my brain around spending that much for a freaking pot for my plant. But obviously I knew I had to. So in the end, I just did it. Like in the end, $55 really isn't much. But yeah, I finally got it and it's really cute. It has some nice detail on it. I don't know if you can really see. I think it's really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and pot this. Also, it needs to be watered because the leaves are falling. But yeah, so I'm gonna plant that after I show you guys everything else. So I think this box here is my plant stand. I bought two plant stands because I want to see which one is more sturdy, because I've heard with these plant stands, if you have a 12-inch plant, which is like the higher end of what these plant stands can hold, then it's not usually that sturdy. And mine's obviously a 12-inch and it's gonna grow and get even bigger. So I wanted to get two just to be sure. And also I think they're both a little bit different browns. So I wanted to see like which brown goes best with my TV stand and just with like the whole, you know, look in here. So let's unbox these two plant stands and see which one we like better. By the way, guys, I like already worked out today. I got up early. I got a bunch of video editing done. I had a nice morning to myself. I laid out in the sun for a while. I've had a very productive day already, and I even got like myself put together and everything, and it's only like 1. So I'm feeling good, especially like my gym workout today was the most satisfying workout I've had in a long time, because obviously with going home and then having a friend here and then getting sick, I wasn't able to work out for like a little over a month. So getting back to the gym was kind of difficult at first, but I was super excited to get back to it. Today was my 3rd workout and it was just so good. Like such a good workout. Like I'm already back up to where I was when I stopped working out. Also, look how terrible my nails are. The last time I got acrylics, they like jacked up my nails so bad. There's dents in my nails. I still have them, and that was like a little over a month ago now. So I've just been painting them, but normal nail polish comes off really quick. Like it only looks good for a day and maybe 2 if you're lucky. But yeah, so I need to redo these. Okay, so this is one of them. Honestly, it looks very small. It kind of looks used, not gonna lie. Like there's a bunch of scratches on it. So just, you put it together like that. There's a little screw in the middle that I'm gonna have to screw in. And then you can either have it like standing up like this or lower like this. And then here's the other one. This one already looks like it's gonna be way better. After moving, I'm like so tired of getting packages and opening things and all of that. Like it's just a lot. Okay, so this one definitely seems better quality, but the color is completely different. So this is this one. I just realized too, I could definitely spray paint the one I end up keeping if I want like the color to be different, you know? Okay, and then this is supposed to extend, but I'm not really sure how. Okay, so you can just pull it. Oh yeah. So this one you just pull out to extend it. Super fun, super simple. And then, go in the hole. I think I obviously like the color of this one better, but the other one does look a little nicer. Oh no, I need a normal screwdriver for that. Okay, I got a screwdriver. This screwdriver has been with me through everything, guys. Ever since I moved out on my own, I've had this mini screwdriver from my father, and it has gotten me through building a lot of my own furniture and doing everything on my own. This one is a lot more sturdier, obviously, because this one extends, but this one's taller, which I do like. So let's just see which one works with the plant pot. Okay, so we have that one, it works. That one works too. Okay. So this one, the color is obviously way nicer for this area, but I think I'm gonna actually keep this one because I do like how it's a little bit taller and it just seems better quality. Like this one came scratched up and everything. So I'm gonna return that one. And then I think I'm just gonna get like a really cheap bottle of spray paint and spray paint that. Yeah, I think that's the move. And I wanna show you one more thing. I was on the lookout forever to find a perfect pillowcase that like matches the vibe in here. So I got these on Etsy. These are like 100% natural flax linen, which I know I've talked about before, my new obsession. So I wanted to give these a try. They were also quite expensive for a pillowcase. Each one was, I think, like $30, which is kind of crazy, but they looked really nice and they were out of stock for so long. So finally they came back in stock and I was like, I'm just gonna do it. I've been eyeing these for forever. So I got two of the same ones and they're in the color natural. So it's like the most natural flax linen color. I'm pretty sure this is not dyed at all. And honestly, it matches pretty well. So let's put one of those pillows inside one and see what we think. Wow, oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, I really like this. I'm gonna get the other one on and then put them on the couch and show you, but this is it. It's really pretty. This is them. I honestly love them. This is them close up on its own. It matches the couch perfectly, and honestly that's what I wanted because I really want a super airy white natural look in here. You know, the Pinterest vibes, and I think that these really help tie all that in. It matches perfectly. It looks really good. They're like perfect. The color is literally perfect. I thought they were gonna be a little bit darker and they're not, so I'm really happy about that. Now all I need is a coffee table in here because as you guys saw, the coffee table that I got just didn't work in here, and the one I want is just a little bit too expensive, but like knowing me, I'll probably end up getting it. We'll just see. I'm holding out a little bit longer because like there's got to be something else. Okay, I'm going to pot my plant now, and then I have a call at 3:30. It's 1:30 now, so 2 hours. I think I'm gonna clean up in here. It's like a little messy if you can see. So yeah, I think I'm gonna clean up because my brother and his girlfriend come tomorrow to visit and like spend a weekend and some days. They're here for like 5 days, I think, or maybe 6. I don't know, but they're spending some time with me, so that's gonna be a lot of fun, but I definitely wanna like clean up. And then tomorrow can just be like a super productive day work-wise before they get here, because they get in at like 11 p.m. Okay guys, I literally just realized I don't have enough dirt to pot this thing, and I was gonna use this like old dirt from my plant that was in my room that died, but that's just not gonna fill this. So I think I'm just going to throw this in here for now. Actually, I'm gonna water this first, and then I'm gonna throw it in here and just like whatever. We're not potting this today. Guys, please ignore how I look. It's been a long freaking day, but I just picked up some yummy alcohol mixing stuff. My camera just died. So I went to Target to get some stuff and I found these. It's a rose lemonade. It looks really good and kind of healthy. It says it's botanically brewed, and I looked at the ingredients and they're not that bad at all. So I was like, I'm gonna give this a shot because rose lemonade sounds bomb as a mixer for vodka. I want a new like mixed drink that's super easy to make but like super good and refreshing at the same time for summer, you know? I'm trying to figure out that drink. Like, what is my summer drink going to be when I make something at home? So I found those and I'm really excited to try those. And then I just got a really small Prosecco because I'm only gonna make 1 or 2 tonight. Oh, I forgot club soda. Dang it. Well, the whole plan was to do like a little bit, like probably half this, half club soda, to make it kind of like a nice refreshing soda with some flavor. And then I was gonna add Prosecco to make it sparkling. And then I just cut up some lime to make it kind of like a sour. So I want to do a flavored sparkling sour with vodka. So because I forgot the club soda, I'm gonna still try it and just do a full one of these, I guess. They have carbonated water in them, so isn't that club soda? These actually might be fine on their own. Okay, so we have the glass, ice. So this is Belvedere, by the way, the best vodka ever. But we're only gonna do like that much. And then this stuff. Then some Prosecco. And then we have some lime. I'm just gonna squeeze in here. Look how cute, oh my God. I'm sorry, but look how cute this drink is. Oh, it's so cute. This is like a beautiful summer drink. Okay, cheers. Ooh, Okay, the rose flavor is super strong. So if you don't like rose, you won't like that. But if you like the flavor of rose, I would honestly recommend. Okay, I think what's missing is that it needs sugar. So I'm gonna add agave, which I think will make it actually taste really good. Just like a little bit. And then mix that up. Okay, now let's taste it. Boom. Okay, this, guys, this is so freaking good. I highly recommend trying this if you like the flavor of rose. And if you like super light, refreshing drinks where you can barely taste the alcohol. The agave is what I was definitely missing, and that just like took the drink to a whole nother level. So, cheers.